Brush up on your academic skills by coming to one or more of our workshops. We cover all sorts, from essay writing to delivering presentation.
They helped me because they explained me how to write essays and reports. I strongly recommend to all the students to get in touch with this service.
We also offer drop-ins where you can speak to a member of the team on a one-to-one basis.
At the beginning, I was quite lost with my assignments. It didn't flow. I didn't know how to tie up my work. So the engagement team sat down with me and they showed me how to tidy up my work, which made a lot more sense. It is a pleasure to read my work after I sat down with the engagement team.
Being paired with a peer mentor is another great option. Having gone through the same or similar course, they know how challenging university can be.
Come along to a maths drop-in or workshop to get advice and guidance on any maths, numeracy or stats related challenges that relate to your course. English language support is useful for students studying with English as a second language, covering areas such as academic writing to speaking and pronunciation. The English language drop-in and workshop sessions are available to help students with language related difficulties. You can use any of the engagement team services. We want to make sure you can get the best out of your course.
Do not hesitate to contact us for more information. Come directly to a drop-in or ask at Student Services on the street.